What's up, everybody? Back at it again, taking a look at another Mercedes Benz S550 that we have here for sale at Southern Motor Company. This one's a 2015 model. Stay with us. Let's take a look at it, see what it's all about, and take it out for a quick cruise. Here we go. All right, so what I'm liking about this one is definitely the color combination. The silver with the black interior. It's just right, you know? I'm really liking that. It's also an absolutely gorgeous vehicle. The S550 is definitely what you would consider to be a luxury sedan. Also a big sedan. This thing has got a ton of space inside of it. It's got a long wheelbase. It's got all the features and controls and techie stuff that you would love to have on any vehicle. And even to be a 2015 model, it's still just absolutely amazing. Anyways, as I always do on every vehicle video that we shoot, we talk about the condition of the car. If we see any dents, stings, scratches, imperfections, we'll point them out. Paint's looking pristine. Headlights look great, no oxidation going on there. The chrome grille in the front looks really good. It's got the sensors. Alloy wheels look nice. Let's take a look at the Continental tires. They are pre-owned tires, so they're not brand spanking new, but I'm still feeling a pretty decent amount of tread on there. Let's see what size we got. I'm assuming they're 20s, but let's just make sure. Yep, actually they're 19s. A 245, 45, 19. So there you go. Also got the drilled rotors and all that good stuff. So it's absolutely a beautiful vehicle. Also, I like the window tint. It is a factory tint, but as you'll see on the front windshield here, kind of looks like a mirror tint, right? Basically to help with the sun so he doesn't get so much in the car. Also just kind of boom, it pushes it back off the vehicle so you don't get as much glare and things like that coming into the car when you're driving it. Mirrors look good. You got your cameras on your mirrors. You also have your puddle lights. At nighttime, the car is absolutely beautiful and it lights up on the outside and the inside. But as you're looking at it right now, the exterior body is in beautiful shape. You know, most of the S550s that we get here at Southern Motor Company are in really good condition. Taillights look good too. I'm really liking the silver with the red. That looks really nice. Also the exhaust in the back dualed out, but kind of flush mount, as you can see right there. Keep moving through, checking her out. Open up the button there. Yeah, got your power trunk. Got nice big spacious trunk area to keep all your stuff. Got the owner's manuals right here. Little nets, things to station and hook things up, and 12-volt outlet, all that. Hit the button, drops that right on back down for you. There you go. All right. Also up top on your roof, you'll see you got your panoramic glass roof that goes from the front all the way to the back. Let's take a look in the rear for just a moment. You have your shades on the side windows, little shade here, big one there. Just hold the button right there. You can drop it down or put it up. The black leather interior looks really nice. Let's have a look and see. Also has the back window shade. Armrest is in good shape. Opens up, storage in there. Cup holders right here. There you go. Look like they've hardly ever even been used before. Carpets look great. The mats practically look like they're brand spanking new. These are in good shape. A lot of times these will get worn out over the years if you use them, and they'll kind of hang like that. Those, boom, go right back up where they need to be at. Air vents, spot to throw your phone. 115 AC watt, 150 watt outlet there. There you go. Got it. Up top, even though you got the double sunroof, one in the front, one in the rear, still integrated in the mirrors with the lights on both sides. You got your old crab handles when holding on or pulling yourself in and out of the vehicle. This is a really nice handle. It's nice and wide. Also got your lights right up top. And a microphone's up there as well if you're talking on the Bluetooth cell phone system inside the vehicle. Definitely luxury, for sure. What a beautiful cockpit up front there. Look at all that. Man, so much going on, but I'm liking it. Look at this. Wow, it's in good condition. Armrest isn't worn out. Man, To be a 6-year-old vehicle, this thing is looking incredibly clean. All right, let's go ahead and hop in, take her down the road to our little spot where we go do the interior pictures at. A plethora of features on your door panel here, and I always point this out to you. Well, first you got the soft touch, right? But when you open your doors, look at this. It doesn't close back up or bounce back or anything like that. It opens and it stays exactly where you kind of leave it at. Check that out. Isn't that neat? How it just stays in that position that you leave it at. Also got cooled seats, which I have on right now. Heated seats, front and rear. Power window controls, also power mirrors and fold-in mirrors. Trunk button, window controls, and power seat controls. Let's go ahead and hop in. Super quiet cabin, of course. This is looking good. Feels nice. Paddle shifters. Let's go ahead and turn our fan speed down. Okay. I thought we did. Oh, it looks like it's going up. Here, we'll do it. Come on. Here we go. Let's see if we can pull up the climate control right here on the system. We got all this right through here. Volume, telephone, media, radio, navi, vibrating seats, of course, sport mode, comfort mode, all that. Auto on-off engine feature. Anyways, this also is controlling up in here. As you can see, I'm moving things around right now. Right now, though, I'm wanting to cut the air fan speeds down a little bit. You can also do that back there. Check that out. I'm dropping down that rear visor. All right, here we go. Let's check this out for a minute. Menu. Very nice. Climate control on, AC on. We got it on auto. Just trying to cut the fans down a little bit, just because they're a bit loud at the moment. There we go. Now we got them dropped down. I like how you can have the navigation still opened up right there, then navigation or radio and climate and vehicle features there. You can always, boom, hit it into full screen if you want, hit navigation, and there you go. You got your nice big widescreen display there, which looks really nice. Also an LCD screen over here as well with your speed and your tack and more information like gas, how many miles till you're on E, which is the range. All right, let's go ahead and put our seatbelt on. Beautiful vehicle, though. I mean, this is definitely luxury, as I always continue to tell everybody. All right. One reason why we're filming today, we got somebody possibly interested in the car, and I figured why not go ahead and make a video of it so we can send it to the customer. We've been selling more and more cars to folks from out of town and shipping cars to people, and all they're doing is watching the videos, getting all the information that we can provide them with, Carfax and all that, coming up with a price, and a lot of people will just wire in the money into our account, and then we'll schedule a day to have the vehicle shipped to their house on a truck and trailer, and boom, it's there. You know, depending on how far the car is going, if you got a long distance, you know, it'll be on a different type of transport truck. If it's something right around, you know, the state or something like that, or Georgia, it goes on a really nice flatbed trailer and heads off to your house. But either way, it's super safe when it's going to your home, wherever you may live at. Let's go ahead and put the vehicle in drive. There we go. And let's take her down the road. Definitely a smooth ride. I mean, if you have never owned an S-Class or anything like this before, again, you are in for a treat when you buy one of these. I mean, it's just a absolute pleasure to drive an S-Class as a daily vehicle. It's quiet inside the cabin. It's smooth. It's just an all-around great vehicle. I mean, what a phenomenal vehicle. And you feel like a different person when owning a car like this. You know, it's a good thing. It really is. It just feels nice to get in your S-Class and drive to church on Sunday, go to work, or whatever it is that you do. It makes it a little bit more pleasant hitting the streets in your S-Class. You know, a lot of people like to have their luxury car like this, and then they like to have their sport car for when they're ready to go out on the town and drop the top and sport and cruise around the city. But you know, this to me is also a wonderful car to have if you plan on doing some traveling and things like that. You know, maybe you want to, you know, hit Interstate I-95 and cruise on down to go see family down in Florida or wherever it may be, or head up to New Jersey, New York, and all that. This is one of those cruising cars on the interstate. All right. And again, the twin turbo under the hood's just got plenty of power. Yeah, it's more than enough. But guys, thank you for watching with me today. If this is kind of something you've been really considering buying for yourself, please get in contact with me. You know, a car like this is typically going to be somewhere, you know, in the $30,000 to $40,000 range. So if this is something you're interested in, please give me a call and contact me at Southern Motor Company. We would be more than happy to help you with getting this. All right, let's put it in park. I gotta hop out, snap some shots of the car, get it up on the website, and get this vehicle marketed to sell. All right, guys, have a great day. Thanks for watching. Like, comment, subscribe. Follow Southern Motor Company on Facebook if you got time. And just thanks again for watching the video. We'll see you on the next one.